Hello friends, you are welcome to new focused approach to mathematics basics 7. This is revised edition. In this video, we want to do modeling of numbers or number quantities using graphs or square papers. So let's have this as our graph sheet, and we want to use the squares in the graph sheet to do the modeling. And you can see that we have big squares like this one, and then we have small squares, and then the extremely small one. We want to use this one, focusing on this one as our structure or the modeling tool. Now we want to use the first small, or maybe any of the small square like this one to represent 100,000. Okay, 100,000. In that case, if you have 10 of this, okay, if I arrange 10 of this on top of each other, then I'm going to get 1 million. Is that okay? So, and if I put 1 million side by side, okay, and I do that for 10 of them, then I'm going to get 10 million. Is that right? Good. And so we are going to now depend on this to model other numbers or other huge numbers. For example, we want to model 12,400,000. 12,400,000. That is a huge number, right? Okay, so first of all, we need to break this down. 12 million simply means we have 10 million. Okay, we have 10 million. Then we have 2 million. Then we have 400,000. So these are the parts. Remember, we said the beginning small gives us 100,000. So we have 1 million, and then we have 10 million as well. So this will be our 10 million, because that's what we said, that if we have the longs up to 10, we get 10 million. In that case, we need to model our 2 million. That is 2 million. So 2 million. So we are talking about 10 million plus 2 million plus 400,000. So we need the 4 of the small ones to give us 400,000. So all put together, we have 12,400,000. So if you are asked to model 12,400,000 using your graph or any square paper that you can think of, or grid paper, this is how you can model 12,400,000. Now let's try another one. This I want to model 13,500,000. And so 13 million simply means we need 10 million. Okay, we need 10 million. Then again, we need 3 million. Right. Then again, we need 500,000. Okay, so 10 million will give us this one. Then 3 million, so 3 of the longs, 3 million will give us that. Then we need 500,000, which means we need 5 of the 100,000. So that'll give us 500,000. So that is the model for 13,500,000. Okay, now you can pause the video and let me quiz you on this. What do you think would be the value of this model? What do you think would be the value? Pause the video and then give me your answer. Right. I'm sure you agree that we are going to have 10 million for the flat. Then we have only 1 million for the long, and then 2 of the small ones will give us 200,000. So together we can write our answer as, so we can say 11,500,000. And so the question given you, your answer should be 11,500,000. Now with this, we come to the end of this video. I'm sure you've learned a lot. Now go ahead and solve the rest of the questions at the exercise page. See you another time.